Okay, this time what we'll do is we'll solve another equation or equation with trigonometry in it. This is the example I'll do. So we've got an angle given to us, that's 35 degrees, a side length, and we want to find out what the value of the hypotenuse is here. So as with all trig problems, we need to work out which ratio is going to suit us. So we've got an angle, an opposite side length, and a hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, that's O and H, that's sine. So we need the sine trigonometric function. So I'll just write that out. Sine. Now we've got an angle, that's 35 degrees. Excuse my writing here, but that's alright. Equals opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so let's rewrite that. That's sine 35 equals the opposite side length, which is 5, over the unknown x. Now see what's happened here. X is in the denominator. No big stress. Let's expand this out again, or a little bit. I'm just going to transpose this. Now this is a fairly nifty bit of algebra here. I'm going to multiply this side by x and this side by x. Cancel, cancel, leaves 5 by itself, and x is now in the numerator. That's really handy. So I'll rewrite that. So I've got x times sine 35 equals 5. Okay, now we want to get x by itself. Easy. We just divide by sine 35. That cancels with that, and we divide this by sine 35. Remember, sine 35 is just a ratio, it's just a decimal number. So, x equals 5 on sine 35. At this point here, we need our calculator to solve it for us. So, I'm not really worried about the x equals. I'm just going to type in 5 divided by sine 35, close my brackets, and execute. And I know that that missing side is around about 8.7 centimeters, meters, kilometers, whatever the unit is. Again, really making sure that we're in the decimal and degrees mode. Let's see what would happen if we were in radians. Well, obviously this is not going to be my answer. I've seen students write this down on tests before. -11. We can't have a side length of -11, so that's a clear sign that you weren't in degrees mode. And remember, if we're in standard mode, it'll give us the exact answer, which of course is 5 on sine 35. But we want to approximate an approximation, so let's use the decimal.